What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're at the track again. I'm trying something different this time. Took the headlight out, go right to the turbo for some air. Hunter and Michael here, they're ready to go. Welcome to Michael Tuned. Kind of. So Michael's got the new cam in. Hunter's got the new B20 back in there. Hopefully this thing works.
Alright, we have a truck in the wall, so we got a little bit here to get him towed out of there, and then we'll get running again as soon as he's cleared.
Alright, guys. You got lucky. I forgot my SD card at home, but I had one in my phone, so I pulled the memory card out of my phone and put it in the GoPro, so that's what I'm using right now. So let's go up and make a pass. So I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. It was 11.5. It was like 0.3 faster to the 8th by like the 3:30, 0.2 faster, and I had to lift completely. I lost 2 miles an hour before the 8th, just lifting for the limiter. I got the tire size changed, and then we'll go back out. about 3 minutes till they're gonna end it, and Michael's gonna go up once again, so I'm gonna try to get a video of him. Hunter did a 10.9 today with his hatch. 10.9. First day out. He's got like 3.5 miles on that engine. And I missed it. Couple 2 seconds late. Got to see the tail end of it. It was a 14.3, I believe, at 105. So now I'm just gonna go back to the truck and head home. How was your day, sir?
Not too bad. Not too bad.
What'd you do?
My car went 10.9 at 132 with an 8, so almost 133. Still got to work on my 60 foot a little bit, but other than that, the car worked pretty good once I found out how to shift it.
Yeah? How many tries did it take?
2.
2 tries.
Third try it went 10.9. And the first pass I missed second gear, and then the second pass I missed third gear.
How many miles?
The third pass, I hit all the gears.
How many miles on the engine?
About 15.
About 15. I said 3.5, so I was a little off.
I mean, we drove it here and probably put 5 miles on it before we got here, so you know, not too bad. I should probably change the brake-in oil now, now that it went 10.9, and maybe go 10.5.
So fresh engine, and he redid the whole tune because he lost it last time.
Yeah, the tune is still a little wonky, but it works. It goes 10.9.
Apparently it works. Yeah, first year that last time. All right, so we missed the pass, but we'll get to see another one. Hunter's gonna take Michael's car out. He's having a weird issue, and he's doing like his 3 to 4 shift, so Hunter's gonna take it for a ride and see what it's doing. Alright, so just to review the slips from today. We have the 11.5 at 116. We have an 11.5 at 118. And an 11.3 at 120. So picked up mile an hour each time. This mile an hour, 116, was tied with one of the last ones. So we had a 1.7 60 foot and a 1.7 here, and this was a 1.8. So these two I left at like 6 pounds. This one I left at 0 pounds, like 100 kPa. So that kind of sucks. But it was still my best 60 foot, so kind of getting the button thing figured out. And 11.3 at 120. This thing is so sketchy at 120. But yeah, just to show some progress, this was the first time slip of this year. 15.4 at 94. So all 3 of these passes, well, except for the first one. So the last 2 passes were faster in the 8th than I was in the quarter at the beginning of the year. So this was like a month or so ago. So that's kind of interesting. Granted, there was a lot of wheel spin and weird garbage going on there. Still ended up managing to do a 13.8 that same day. But that was still first one of the year, so kind of funny. Today was a good day, I would say. Odd day, frustrating day. I kept hitting rev limiter, so I made a few tweaks, changed the tire size, lowered the shift point, raised the rev limiter a little bit, and it shifted really solid on the last pass, the 11.3 pass, and picked up a couple more mile an hour. So it was at 120, and like I said, it's pretty sketchy at 120, and going a lot faster, so it's a lot harder to stop. So it's a drum brake truck, and Michael, actually I did one pass with Michael, and that was the pass that I didn't make the turn and ended up going up the hill because I just couldn't stop. I couldn't make the turn. So, and I was jammed standing on the brakes, and I just couldn't make it. So I had to go straight, and Michael comes flying up after the pass, and he's like, dude, is the engine okay? Like, yeah, the engine's fine. He's like, oh, that must have been your brakes then. He's like, because I saw fucking sparks flying everywhere. So as I passed him, he was waiting to turn, And I passed him, and he said he saw sparks flying out everywhere, so that was my brakes because I was trying to stop. So the truck is really sketchy at that speed, so I almost don't even like it. It's not even, it's getting to the point where I'm worrying about it more than I'm having fun with it. And I think probably another 8 to 10 miles an hour is what I need to go 10. So we will see what we do with that. Might have to make some improvements, but I really want to focus on this beautiful piece of shit right now, and then we'll take this thing out and we'll put some more shit in it and try to make it really shitty. So this one, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your sister, tell your whoever you got. Just tell them. Just tell everybody. Truck goes fast. Now we're gonna make this thing fast. We're gonna make this thing even faster though. That's the plan. Faster than really slow. Okie dokie.